taking back our country from those who have taken us down a path that we have become unrecognizable as to who we are, what we stand for, the value systems that we have. No time in the People's National Party could we have a leader of the party who is under investigation and continues to remain as the leader of the party. It could not happen. For you to have a prime minister that is seeking to strike down the very law that defines illicit enrichment, it could not happen, and it should not be happening in Jamaica. And then, if you did not hear what Donald Senator Scott Motley said, Mr. Trump is the General Secretary of Jamaica Football Federation. Just imagine that he's at a match in the royal box in his Jamaican colors. Seated beside him is somebody in red and black from Trinidad, cheering for Trinidad. And then after the first half has ended, and the person is there defending how well Trinidad is playing, the person takes off the Trinidad jersey and goes on the field to referee the match. Who would agree to that? Nobody would. We think that this is highly inappropriate. We will not stand for it. And if they do not act, we are going to act. And the people of this country, time has come for them to act. The Prime Minister is hiding and doing all sorts of other things.